Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly pull all of the links that are inside of a search result that you're currently looking at. So this is going to vary a little bit by source or supplier, but it's going to be a very similar process once you've already found a page of items that you are interested in selling, right? So I'm going to use Walmart as an example as usual. We're going to go to walmart.com and then keep in mind, we're using two Chrome extensions to accomplish this. One is this Chrome extension, which is called Link Grabber, and then this Chrome extension, which is Session Buddy. Link Grabber is going to allow us to make the list of items, and then Session Buddy is going to allow us to open the list of items. So, if you want to pull all of the results, you need a search result. It's a starting point, right? Let's go with bottle. We just need a page of results. Here we go. If we really want to feel fancy, because I guess you normally would do some filtering, right? So you always want to do the 2-day because, unless you posted all the 2-day items, why post items that don't ship in 2 days? Everything's faster. Everything's better that way. It's great. Even returns are faster. Okay, so now we have a bunch of items, and let's change the price point a bit. The cheapest item I post is usually like $5. So, no, they only have 5 exactly $5 items. That's funny. We're going to change that. I meant to type a 6. My apologies. Okay. Now we have this page of items. If we want to, we can zoom out all the way. Sometimes it helps to be able to see, hey, these are all the items. I can see that these are all objects. They're mostly bottles. I have a sense of what's on this page, right? If I don't like this page, well, I guess I just go to the next one then. Maybe I'll like that page. Let's see. Come on, click on the 2. There we go. And look at that. More bottles. I guess it makes sense considering I searched for the word bottle, you know? So that's just a visual representation of the list that we're about to grab. It's really simple. We're going to click on this URL grabber, Chrome extension, or link grabber, sorry. And this just pulled a list of every single URL on the entire page. Depending on the source that you use, the process to identifying what links on here are to items is going to change. For Walmart, all you need to do is type /IP/. Now everything that's in this list is a link to an item. You can notice here that there's a hashtag customer reviews at the end. This is a duplicate link. It's quite simple to get rid of that using a bulk text editor. I'll explain how to do that in a later video, but for now, I'm happy with this. So now what we would do is we would copy all of these links. If we wanted to look through these, say that you wanted to go through each item and open them all up at once, you can use Session Buddy to do that. And to do that, you just go to import and then you paste the list of URLs that you wanted, and then you save it. And then now if I were to double click this, it would open every single URL in this list. And that can be quite useful when you're manually making lists of items, which I'll show you how to do in a later video. All right, now you know how to pull a list of the search results and open them in a search page, or open them all at once in an internet browser. This can be pretty useful depending on what you're trying to do. All right, guys, ciao.